Most people hear car wash business and instantly think passive income. Buy it once, renovate it, and money just flows every day. But how much profit does a renovated car wash actually make? Today, we're breaking down the real numbers, revenue, expenses, and what's left at the end, without hype, without flexing, just clarity. Before we start, hit subscribe if you like simple explanations about real money decisions. This channel is about understanding how money actually works, not chasing fantasies. Now let's start with the basics. A renovated car wash usually means an older wash that's been upgraded, better machines, cleaner layout, faster service, and sometimes a small cosmetic facelift. The goal isn't luxury, the goal is efficiency. Revenue depends on three simple things: location, traffic, and pricing. In many small U.S. towns, a basic wash costs anywhere from $15 to $30. If a car wash handles just 30 to 50 cars a day, monthly revenue can land anywhere between $15,000 to $40,000. That sounds impressive, but revenue is not profit. Now let's talk about expenses, because this is where reality kicks in. Water and electricity are the biggest costs. Then come chemicals, soap, routine maintenance, and repairs. Machines break, pumps fail. No car wash runs perfectly every month. Some owners hire part-time labor. Others run it themselves to save costs. Add insurance, property taxes, and occasional unexpected fixes, and suddenly that big revenue number starts shrinking. After all expenses, many renovated car washes realistically net somewhere between $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Some months are great, some months are slow, especially during bad weather or off-seasons. And here's the part most videos don't tell you. A car wash is not fully passive. Someone has to manage it, maintain it, and make decisions. The profit comes from systems, not from doing nothing. So is a renovated car wash worth it? For the right person, yes. It can be a strong cash flow business with predictable income. But it's not magic. It's a business, with risks, costs, and effort. The real lesson isn't about car washes. It's about understanding that wealth comes from boring, repeatable systems, not flashy promises. Think better about money. Build wealth the right way.